Creating invoices and recording payments covers how to create an invoice, how to record payments, and discusses the debtors module as an option. Cash Manager Rural is supplied with an invoicing module that allows you to create invoices and record payments. This screen shows a summary of just one invoice created on the 20th of January to J Farmer, and that it is fully paid. To see a preview of the invoice, click on the Preview button. This is a preview of how the invoice will look, including any remittance advice information. The payment is recorded by clicking on the Payments button and recording the date, the other party, and the amount they have paid us. To create a new invoice, click on the New Invoice button. Initially, this other party list might be empty. This is because while we might have lots of other parties set in our other party list, none have been set up as a debtor. To see all of your other parties, click on this Other button. When we select J Farmer and click on Edit and go to the Roles tab, we can see he is set up as a debtor. To add M. Smith to the list of debtors, click on that line, click on Edit, then click on Roles and change the debtor type to Active. Now when the tick is removed from the debtor status field, these two are left. It's a good idea to go through all your other parties and in the same way set up all the ones you want to display in the debtors list. In the future, when you add new other parties, they will automatically be set up as a debtor if it is done from this invoicing window. I'm going to select M. Smith, and now they will be set up in my new invoice. They will be assigned an invoice number, and we need to set the invoice date. Down here, I'm going to record that we have sold them 500 small bales of hay at $6.50 per bale, and also type in a description of hay. When I press the Enter key, I will create a new line, and on the new line I'm also going to record that I sold them 30 large bales of silage at $60 each. When I click OK, the summary is now displayed in the main window. If I click on Preview, I can see the invoice and the remittance advice details. Later on, when M. Smith pays me, I need to click on the Payments button, keep pressing Enter until it creates a new line, choose the other party of M. Smith, and record how much they have paid. In this example, I'm going to record they paid $5,000. Now they will be recorded as part paid because they actually owed $5,050. These invoices and the associated payments are not linked with transactions. A fully functioned debtors module can be purchased from Concepts Rural Solutions. The debtors module provides a price list and the ability to create invoices, statements, and invoice statements. These can also show aged balances.